I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by aligning essentials so you can act immediately. Gather syllabus, rubric, notes, and one dedicated file. This reduces decision friction. Once done, define a one-sentence goal and break it into 3 concrete subtasks so you know exactly where to start. Then set a 25-50-minute timer and silence distractions. This creates focus windows. Make sure to keep materials visible and within reach, so you lose no time transitioning from planning to doing. You now move into the heavy lifting, drafting and organizing content. Take each subtask and commit to a 10-20-minute focused pass, progress over polish. You'll refine later. As you write, integrate one source per paragraph and add a short paraphrase with a citation placeholder to avoid losing references. Use clear headings and quick diagrams or formulas to externalize thinking. If something is unclear, mark it with a question symbol so you can spot gaps during the revision pass. You finish by consolidating and polishing what you created. Start a timed 15-25-minute revision pass to tighten structure, confirm thesis alignment with the prompt, and clean up citations. Convert rough, bulleted ideas into complete sentences and adjust length to match requirements. Make sure formatting and references follow the rubric before submitting. If a source or fact is missing, add a brief placeholder note and a plan to retrieve it. That fallback prevents incorrect claims and keeps your work defensible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.